Welcome to today's job circular. Today's career opportunity is about Drug International Limited, which has a long record of solid reputation as one of the leading pharmaceutical company in Bangladesh. Let's talk about the position is about marketing associate, key responsibilities, promotion of company products, requirements bachelor of pharmacy, excellent communication skills both Bangla and English, male and female candidates both are allowed to apply, age below 30 years, fresh candidates only can apply or fresh candidates only. Apply instruction. Interested candidates are requested to submit handwritten application addressed to manager, human resources. Applicants should mention the post or position they are applying on top of the envelope within 28 May 2021, along with a complete resume, 2 copies of passport size photographs, photocopy of all academic certificates, photocopy of national ID card. Department of Human Resources, the address is given here, Drug International Limited, Khaja Enayatpuri Tower, 17 km Shafiullah Road, Green Road, Dhaka 1205, Bangladesh. Website is given here, drug-international.com. So if you want to apply, please apply before 28th May 2021. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new job circular. Thanks for watching.